Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI P50 Pocket, and let me share with you how to add the photo to a contact in this device. So first of all, let's open your contact list and find the contact you'd like to edit and tap on it. So in my case, Dad, and tap on this edit icon. It should be right in the middle. Now let's tap on this, let's say, profile, and as you can see, we've got two different ways to add a photo. We can either take a photo and then your device will open the camera up. So this is the best option to choose if you've got a person right in front of you and if you're able to catch a photo of him or her, or you can choose it from the gallery, and I will pick this option. And as you can see here, we've been transferred to the full list, or something like that, I mean to all our photos. And all you have to do is to simply tap on the one you'd like to use and tap on this tick icon in the right upper corner. That's what I wanted to say. Alright, so here from this tab you can see this highlighted circle. It is the area which is responsible for what we will see after saving the whole contact. So here we can change the position of the photo. We can zoom it in or out using two fingers, so you can just position it like you want to. Yeah, so simply position it like you want to and tap on the tick icon in the right upper corner. As you can see, it has been immediately applied, so remember to tap on this tick icon again to confirm. And as you can see here, we've got the photo on the contact, and after getting back you will be able to see it on the contact list. What's more, also on the whilst all incoming calls from that number, for example. So actually this is it. This is how to add a photo to a contact in your HUAWEI P50 Pocket. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.